Today, as we examine 7 incredible futuristic concept cars, we're plunging deeply into the world of groundbreaking design and engineering. You won't want to miss this excursion, which features stunning autonomous vehicles with sleek electric beauty. The future is now, so be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell. Let's start the performance by igniting our imaginations. BMW Vision Next 100. Although full technical details are not yet available, it is safe to assume that the propulsion system will involve electricity and zero emissions. In ease mode, the car is completely self-driving. The steering wheel is hidden, and the chairs are moved into position. In boost mode, the car is partially autonomous. The steering wheel is hidden, and the seats are moved into position. According to BMW, the vehicle transforms into an ultimate driving machine where the driver controls the speed and direction using augmented reality. The vehicle also shows the ideal racing lines and steering points from the outside. The vehicle has a lot of lights and almost no discernible wheels. The kidney grille is still present, but it is no longer necessary for air intake because it has been converted into a sensor housing area for autonomous driving. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. With bulging wheels that can light in different colors and oval-shaped doors, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR resembles a ferocious beast from the future. Mercedes wants you to believe that the car has an animalistic vibe all over. A light strip runs the entire length of the vehicle, much like a neural network of a living being. On the back part of the roof, it has 33 moving panels to resemble some sort of reptilian scales. And in terms of the propulsion system, the AVTR has a 110. The most impressive feature, though, is the technology hidden deep inside the car's system. Called a brain-computer interface, it works by detecting your thoughts as you drive. When you place a wearable electrode on your head, the system can record and measure brain activity to determine the car's behavior, including how fast and which way it should go among other functions. RollsRoyce Vision Next 100. With its shimmering silver-green color and oversized fenders, the RollsRoyce Vision Next 100 looks otherworldly. Most of the company's production cars have always pushed the limits of what a luxury car should be. Now that BMW has given them the opportunity to create a concept car, the outcome is an astounding fusion of cutting-edge technology and traditional extravagance. The outline still resembles a Rolls. In addition to the spirit of ecstasy, which is as huge as it seems, the Royce boasts the brand's distinctive vertical grille, a long hood, large wheels, and suicide doors. Only 5,900 mm long or 184 mm shorter than the Phantom is the notion. Additional wheelbase, but keep in mind that the prototype only has room for 2 passengers on a front-facing couch bench that is located at the back of the luxurious interior. It is not a 4-door sedan. The autonomous car is all-electric and powered by 2 250-kilowatt motors, one in the back and another at the rear. Under that long hood, there are no pedals, steering wheels, or other mechanical linkages. Instead, it has a variety of vintage luxuries mounted on its modern carbon fiber structure, including hand-woven wool carpet, real wood, and silk chairs. Audi Sky Sphere. The luxuriously appointed Audi Sky Sphere is immediately recognizable by its large, commanding footprint and ominous, beginning with the engine, a mix of black and gray. Electric, the Audi Sky Sphere, the car's engine is mounted between the rear wheels, and unlike all-wheel drive quattro, it doesn't send power to the front. The engine must be huge because it produces 623 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque, which is enough to propel the vehicle from a complete stop to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. A complex mechanism also allows the car's wheelbase and exterior to extend by 250 mm and its ground clearance to rise by 10 mm. This is what Audi refers to as the Grand Touring mode, in which the Sky Sphere transforms into a Level 4 autonomous vehicle. The pedals vanish into the underside of the dashboard when the steering wheel folds. Despite having a complete dashboard screen and additional touch displays for the armrests, the interior remains simple. Since a traditional grille is no longer required for air intake, Audi has replaced it with a number of LED lights that glow depending on driving mode and what the car is doing, such as turning or unlocking. So the hood extends as far as the horizon despite having no engine underneath. Mercedes-Benz FO18. The FO18 luxury in motion, which made its debut at CES Las Vegas in 2015, is not, in the words of Mercedes-Benz, a concept car but rather a research vehicle. In contrast to most 4-door sedans, the FO18 doesn't have a B-pillar, giving all 4 occupants easier access to the interior and more space to move around in. Powered by a hydrogen fuel cell and running on pure electric power, the car can theoretically travel 560 miles before needing to be recharged or refueled, especially if you let the car drive itself. When you do so, the steering wheel folds into the dashboard, and the front seats can move around and rotate so that everyone can converse face-to-face. Multimedia displays the rear wall, and each of the 4 doorways is among the places where all 5 of them show up. Audi ICON. The concept Audi ICON looks menacing, aerodynamic, and fast even when it is standing still. It has 26-inch wheels under flared fenders and a low riding position similar to a sports car. At 5.4 meters long, the ICON is just a little bit longer than a long wheelbase. But Audi makes the most of the extra area to completely redesign the inside of the vehicle, doing away with the standard steering wheel and dashboard in favor of 2 swiveling and sliding front seats and a tiny rear bench. For greater comfort throughout the journey, the ICON has air suspension and 4-wheel steering in case you need to take a narrow alley for a shortcut in a busy city. Its 2 electric motors have a combined output of 350 horsepower and can travel for about 500 miles before needing to be recharged. The onboard computer, known as PIA, can identify passengers through their phones and modify car settings in accordance with previously remembered preferences, such as seating position, ambient lighting, and general cabin amenities. PIA can also respond to voice instructions for multimedia and navigation. Minivision Next 100. Additional, the Next 100 series to be included is from Mini, which, like Rolls-Royce, is owned by BMW. Mini's version of the concept car focuses on connected digital intelligence, so the driver will be able to summon the vehicle from any location at any time. The vehicle will then pick up the driver at the predetermined location and adjust all the settings to the occupant's preferences. The Vision Next is 560 millimeters longer than the original model and 270 millimeters shorter than the current tiny hatchback, measuring 3620 millimeters in length. It provides manual and automated driving. You merely need to move the steering wheel to the center of the dashboard to give the automobile control. There are currently no specifications available, although it very certainly will employ an electric drivetrain built by BMW. The interior's visuals and ambient lighting may be customized to the taste of the passengers. Mini even offers a specialized package to change the onboard information's content. Additionally, we thank you for watching as we explore these 7 futuristic concept automobiles. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell if you enjoyed this video and would want to see more intriguing material like it. We still have a lot of creativity and technology to investigate together, so click that subscribe button right away and let's keep moving forward. Until the next video, take care.